Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Patreon for July 2025, Part 4. Be looking at D&D, Warhammer Proxies and Figure. And if you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And all the links for this will be down for you here as well in the links down below. Sorry, I'm kind of tired. And yeah, for your 3D printing needs as well. So we got Nation Roger. They do a lot of Vikings style I would say Viking style miniatures, and I don't know why they're not getting big. Oh no, this is not the Viking one. This is the figure one. Yeah, yeah. This one they do the figure. They doing the I don't know Angel of Darkness for it, and this was May. I think the Angel of Darkness was for June. I don't know what's going to be for July. See here, upcoming Patreon. Or quite simple after, for example, February 1st to 5th. That's been several years. So let's see here. July votes. We're going to get Lulu from Final Fantasy X. Pretty good sculpts, letting you guys know. Trick or Treat, another figure one as well. We got a little Red Riding Hood. And I believe the girl from the Fifth Element. The Fifth Element and the little riding girl. This is your past month as well. And I know they released the Fifth Element stuff. Here we go. Platform Fifth Element. It would be kind of cool if they have the actual elemental stone on the pedestal. When she's doing that, it would be a lot more cooler for a diorama piece. Tusk has been already came out to this month. Just letting you guys know for solo leveling. Lion Realm Studio. July ones will be the Evil Eye. Dun da dum, and Hiroshima from Kaiju number 8 and Tank. Kaiju number 8 is okay. Uh, and Dun da Dun's pretty good, but I do like solo leveling a lot more for it. So we got the bust for Tusk and the actual thing itself. Like majority of them, I will have to like do some like purple resin and red resin. Um, but this is not the effect that they actually made. This is all rendered while doing 3D rendering as well. Pink Studio, another figure as well. I think this month we got the Sek Met from well, I think one of the Egyptian god in anime form. I don't know what anime is this from. I'm slowly getting back into anime again, but I see July we got Garo Garo or the girl, the mermaid girl from Monster Musume. So it looks like Gara one. I want the Monster Musume girls for it. So it looks like that's gonna be coming out for this month. There's too many Garas figures. If they do it, give her big boobs, please. I want big boob version of Gara Gara. So see, 25B, Clara Volek. Oh, this is from the Demon School. The girl, the little gypsy girl that can put a whole bunch of stuff out of her stuff. August, we're gonna get Eris or Iris from Jobless Reincarnation. And next one is Pinky Prince, another figure one as well. We just got Vash Stampede. If it loads. I like the older version of Vash Stampede, not the remake that they did with the hair all short and stuff. I grew up with the older one. I tried watching the newer one. I just did not like it. So July model, we got Lollipop from one of the girl from Pokemon. I think this is a VTuber or Bochi the Rock Rookie, and we have a model swap towards the end as well. Kuru figures, another figure one as well. This is uh last month, I would say, for June. We're going to have Iron Mouse, and this is the current project. This is last month. This is June. So yeah, we got Iron Mouse. Doesn't look like the VTuber one, but eh. We got let's see here. This is the Egma Studio. This is yeah June model for it. I do not know what's going to be for July. Looks like this is going to be July Eve and Neri brother. So I played Nier Automata, but not the newest one with all the DLCs for it. But I have the game Eve, but I haven't played Eve, Stellar Blade yet. Jiggly Stinks Creation, they do pinups and also like D&D figures as well. This is gonna be July, so we got some big old booby barbarian girls. Looks like it, and we got this one. This is supposed to be a raccoon girl that's cooking. Mm. And that'll be your pinup, I would say. Man, they're thick. But I do not want to be with them. They fucking killed me. Death by pelvis. You know, crush death by pelvis. From Futurama, if you guys don't remember that. Oh yeah, we got Nuka Art, another figure one as well. Tatsumaki from One Punch Man. Yeah, she doesn't have any boobs, but yeah, please have boobs, man. Boobs make everyone happy. We got some sneak peek of Ada Wong Nor Room collectible shoes. I don't know why we need shoes, but okay. It is the 1st of July. Emma Frost. And this is probably going to be not for this month. They have a thing that'll show you what's this month's coming up is going to look like. If they showed it, I don't know. They usually have a lot of stuff like follow up and everything. Lots of freaking gun room. Holy shit! How many freaking little things do we really need? Okay. Next, 81, another figure one as well. There's like a furry, busty, also portraying Pokemon to figure girls and stuff like that. We got Mitsu Satsumi is coming up. That'll be that one right there. From Monster Hunter. Oh, is that the bubble dragon thing that we didn't see? A Hornets bonus. We also got a Mewtwo as well. Big old poopy Mewtwo. Magpie, another figure as well. We got Melonia from Queen's Blade. This is going to be the July one right here. I think the Queen's Blade one next month. We have Jesse and Artist Choice, Marka Maya Starless. Officer Ruse, another figure one as well. This is actually pretty better figure. We got Blaziken. We also got another Pokemon girl. Let's see here, June recap. This is all the June recap. So you're gonna get like 6 per month or more. I don't know what's everything's gonna be looking like. Oh, here we go, July tracker. So this is your July tracker. I am waiting for Hugo, I believe that's her name was. I think that is Evie. Ashley's gonna murder me. I wonder what the hell this was going to be for it. Safe chat, another figure one as well. Um, yeah, I'm not going to show you much of this. If you guys want to see it, go look down. It's basically a lot of Eevee with big boobs. Eevee Evolution, big boobs. Egma Studio. This is another good figure one. That's August. Oh, August one. We can vote for. Soda. I do Soda. I already have these three, a lot of these three figures. For July model, we have Fearin. And we got model swap for a neon for it. Well, anyhow, that'll be it. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.